other type of operators are assignment operators. These are very simple type of operators to understand because they are quite simple. Let's see what are those. These operators, understanding these operators, not going to take that much of time. I know. These are the operators. They are used to assign a value to a variable, and you have already used it lot of times. If you have already written some kind of program, you try to return some kind of code yourself, either it's Visual Basic or either it's C Sharp, then you have already used these kind of operators. Let's see what exactly are different types of assignment operators. First that we have already used often is simple assignment. It means we are assigning a value which is on the right hand side of equal to sign to a variable name which is on the left hand side. And along with that, we do have some other assignment operators, which is combination of two signs. Here for add assignment, it is plus equal to. For subtract assignment, it is minus equal to. For multiply assignment, it is star equal to. And for division assignment, it is forward slash equal to. And there is a modulus assignment as well, which is percentage equal to. So we are going to see all these different assignment operators in a Visual Studio itself. When we write something like this, x is equal to true or y is equal to false, this is nothing but simple assignment. We are assigning a value which is either true or false to x variable, which is a boolean, and that is why we are assigning it either true or false. If it is something else, let's say integer a is equals to 10. So this is again the assignment operator, which is a simple assignment. We are assigning 10 as a value to variable a. Talk about add assignment. In add assignment, we use plus is equals to. This can be written like this: a plus equal to b, and it can be written as a is equals to a plus b. So this is a short form. We can use it in this way. We can define it this way, but we can also define it this way. It means that we are already adding a to the b, and it is a add assignment. Similarly, if it is an subtract assignment, it's going to be like this: subtract, subtract. Then a minus equal to b, and it can be written as a minus b. The result is going to be a minus b. If we use it like this, the result is going to be a minus b. As a developer, I know that this is much simpler to use, but if you're reading the code which is written by someone else, then you might find this. And then if you find this and you are not having this assignment operator at back of your mind, you will get little confused. You might need to Google it to understand it. So it is better that you at least understand what exactly mean by these assignment operators. And similarly, it can be multiply. If it is a multiply is equal to b, it can be written as a is equal to a multiply b. And same way for the division, which is like this: a forward slash equal to b, and it can be written as a is equal to a divided by b. And we are going to get the result equal, which is equal to this. And anyway, I mean that the result is going to be the same. Only the way that we are writing it is different. If we are using it like this, then it becomes the arithmetic operators. But if we are writing the same formula like this, then it becomes the assignment operator. And the same goes for modulus assignment operator as well. Let's have a look at an example. Here is an example where there are several parameters: length, width, and diameter, and there are areas calculated out of these parameters: area 1, area 2, area 3, and we can see here there are lot of arithmetic operators used, and here as well. But these arithmetic operators cannot be converted into the assignment operators, because whatever is the result, that result variable is not at all used on the right hand side. Means that is not at all used on the formula itself. So we are not able to convert that. But this is a perfect example for arithmetic operators. Let's have a look at another example. Here you can see there are several arithmetic operators used to calculate the x coordinate, y coordinate, and there are some function. This one is a function. In this function, there are three parameters used: the point itself, the angle, and depth. Here, what is used? This is used angle minus 20. Here we can do a simple tweak, and this tweak can be used to convert the arithmetic operator into a assignment operator. So what I can do is I am writing a variable called angle1 is equals to angle minus 20. This is what it is going to be, the value. Now what I will do, this, if I write it like this, then it obviously is a arithmetic operator. But instead of this, if I write double angle 2, let's say angle 2, and here I will not write the formula like I have written for angle 1. I will write minus equals to 20. Now we know this is the assignment operator, and we also know that the result of both this angle 1 and angle 2 variable is going to be the same. Now what I can do is, instead of using the formula here itself, I can use angle 2. I can use angle 2 here, and I'm done. So this is how I can use the assignment operator. Now, no need to be doubtful about this, because we know that it's the exact way how we have converted the arithmetic operator into assignment operator, and this assignment operator is going to give us the same result at it should give us as arithmetic operator. And because of this, there is no change in the logic. It's the only change in the way how we have written it. It's going to be the same result, and there is no change going to be in the result itself. If you would like to try it, you can try it out.
Here I am introducing a course called C# Essentials for NXOpen Customization and Programming. Enroll now and unlock the power of customization in NX. Don't miss out. If you like this video, then definitely please uh, hit that like button. And if you wanted to receive such video updates from me, then please do subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you for now. See you. Bye bye.